In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a Vive Financial bill by phone. By the end, you'll know exactly what to gather, what to say, and how to confirm everything so your payment goes through smoothly. I'll keep it simple and clear, and I'll share helpful reminders so you feel confident the whole way. First, get your account information ready before you call. Have your Vive Financial account number handy, along with any personal details they might ask to verify your identity, such as your billing address or date of birth. Decide how much you plan to pay, minimum due, statement balance, or a custom amount, and make sure your payment method is ready. If you're paying from a bank account, have the routing and account numbers available. If you're using a debit card, ensure sufficient funds. It helps to glance at your statement for the exact amount due and due date. Find a quiet, private place to call so you can enter information accurately and safely. Next, call the official Vive Financial payment line listed on your statement or their website. You'll typically be greeted by an automated system that can accept payments, or you can wait to speak with a representative during business hours. Listen carefully to the menu options and select the payment option. If the system asks for your account number or other details, enter them slowly and double-check what you input. If you prefer an agent, be ready to verify your account and identity. When prompted, provide the payment details requested. You may be asked to choose your payment amount and the date you want the payment processed, today or a scheduled date. Then share your payment method information as requested. Some phone payments may include a convenience fee, so listen for any fee disclosures and agree only if you're comfortable. If you're using a bank account, confirm the routing and account numbers carefully. If you're using a card, verify the expiration date and zip code. Don't hesitate to ask the agent to repeat the amount, date, and any fees, so there are no surprises. After submitting your payment, get confirmation. Write down the confirmation number, the exact amount paid, the payment method, and the date it will post. If offered, ask for a text or email receipt and keep it for your records. Finally, check your account afterward. Log into your Vive Financial account or app later that day, or within 1 to 2 business days, to make sure the payment shows as pending or posted. If it doesn't appear after the stated posting window, contact support with your confirmation number. Keep your receipt and set a reminder for your next due date. Thanks for watching.